Down the slopes we'll go today on the DI in today's door game, Grand Slalom by Pirie. So let's take a look at this simple but yet incredibly challenging door game, which has some deep roots in the Atari 2600 style games to the classic Ski Free. The object is to speed down the slopes as far as you can without crashing into the sides. It sounds simple, but it isn't. I quickly learned that I needed to slow down my output rate to help me keep going at a fast enough pace without too much lag in the controls. 19200 seemed to be the sweet spot for me. Grand Slalom is one of those quick and easy time killer door games that was just fun to pop in from time to time and take a crack at getting your name on the scoreboards. And there's definitely no way I was getting at the top of this one. So kudos to Pirie for making such a challenging but fun little door game. Door games is one of the many special things about BBSs. They allowed their users to interact with one another well before the time of MMORPGs and battle royales. I remember that I couldn't wait to get home after work and dive into my favorite door games and check on my in-game messages and use my turns for the day. This is one of the many reasons here at the DI we strive to dish up some great nostalgia in each one of these videos. So if you played this door game back in the day or any others like it, let us know down in the comments below. Keep your accounts logged into the DI for the next door game that will be loaded up soon, but until then, Digital Infinity out.